And I'm Savannah, and we're from Seatown Services. We do electric, plumbing, heating, and air. And Bobby's got some tips and tricks for you.
Hi guys, it's me Mary from Seatown. Today I'm going to teach you guys about demos. This one turns them off and on. It can only turn them off and on. It turns them a little bit and on, all the way and off. This is how you turn them off. And you turn them on like this. And this, and with it. Oh my gosh, it's broken. I'm gonna fix this outlet. It's wicked good. This is no good. Thanks for watching. Seatown Plumbing, Refuge, Heating and Air.
Call Seatown Electric, Plumbing, Heating and Air.
This is turn it on with a red sun.
Hey.
Seatown Plumbing, Refuge, Heating and Air. Seatown Plumbing, Refuge, Heating and Air. And I'm Belly. I work at Seatown Plumbing, Refuge, Heating and Air. I want this. And
You don't like the one? Okay, well you did a good job.
my dad works at Seatown.
Oh, I'm gonna kill the internet. This is so good. Good job.